I got a diagnostic concept for you. It's called stacking, and I call it stacking of tolerances. And how this plays into diagnostics is that you have multiple components inside a system for a vehicle, and each can influence the other one in terms of when it's going to fail or if it does its job properly. For example, this muffler that has to be replaced on this vehicle. This vehicle also has a busted flex pipe in front and also bad motor mounts. So the flex pipe itself was only a victim of the mount on this muffler and also the mounts on the engine, causing it to move too much and eventually causing damage to the flex pipe. This can be seen in other automotive systems. For example, the brakes. Let's say the customer doesn't take care of the brake fluid. That brake fluid, it could lead to other failures, like let's say a caliper, the ABS HCU, and there's other factors in there that can cause that to fail even sooner. Like let's say there's contamination or the cap is left off the master cylinder. These factors stack into a failure of one part, but technically it could be part of 2 or 3 others or an entire system. So when you're repairing a vehicle, look at all the components inside the system and see how those tolerances can stack up against you to cause the failure of one part, but in reality, it's problems with the entire system being out of tolerance. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.